Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting your emoji art and confirming formats. 512 times 512 PNG or WebP works best for Telegram. Once that's ready, open Telegram and message the stickers bot. You'll type /newpack to create a pack and follow prompts. The bot asks for a pack title and then for each file. Make sure to name or prepare the keywords you'll paste later. This gets the project moving immediately, so don't spend time on peripheral setups. Once you've started the pack, upload files one by one to the bot. Send PNG converted to WebP or the native TGS for animations. After each upload, the bot prompts you to assign an emoji or keyword, pick concise, consistent choices so users can find them quickly. If you want masks or special options, use the bot commands like /setpack. Make sure files are within Telegram size limits. If not, use a lossless compressor or resize to maintain. Finish by sending /publish to the stickers bot and optionally define a short pack name for sharing. Then add the pack and test on your phone and desktop to confirm appearance, alignment, and animation timing. If something looks off, re-upload the problematic image after converting to the correct WebP or TGS format and ensure it's under the size limit. If the client still shows old data, clear Telegram cache and reopen the pack. That single troubleshooting step solves most visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.